Alright guys, gonna run Josh Probst, Blood Fang, drive number 2 bobblehead from today, 505. Go live. We are live. 505. 505, grab list. We will drop it into random 15 entries again. We have Joe on the top, or Joe on the bottom, and Kyle on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 6, that's good, 6 times, here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 times. Dice is a 6, next click, top spot wins, good luck. And 6, congrats Kyle, spot 7, you are the winner. Get in touch with Josh and get your bottle, we are done. 506. Go back, we will type done. We are done. 506. 506. Verification. Timestamp.